curious people. So it's been a long time, and for that I apologise, and for any new subscribers that don't understand why I haven't been putting out any content. There's quite a few updates on my community page, so I thought I'd check in and give you guys a little update. Obviously many of you will know, some of you won't, that our littlest one is battling cancer at the age of 4, and I've been living away at the hospital, so I'm going between home and the hospital, which, you know, I've got 4 at home that need me, I've got 1 here that needs me, so we're doing a big joint family effort here at the hospital and at home so that I can go between the two. He crashed before his radiotherapy, wasn't well enough for it. He ended up in intensive care, he was intubated, having lots of seizures. He was in a very, very bad way. But I am really pleased to say that he's just started his 2nd round of emergency chemotherapy. He has medulloblastoma with leptomeningeal spread, which is basically a brain tumour, but it's spread all over his brain. He's got a big battle ahead, but he's doing very well at the moment. We're on the right path for getting him well enough for the radiotherapy, so all of your positive thoughts, prayers, everything, I thank you very much, and it means the world to me, and everyone who's been checking in, it means the world to me as well. The support everyone's showing has just been phenomenal, and I really, really do appreciate it. So I'm still here living at the hospital. I don't know how long that's going to go on for. We are in a Ronald McDonald House. I'd love to show you some of that at some point because it's phenomenal and I didn't know they existed. It's a house that is totally funded by the McDonald's House charities, and they are supporting us massively. It's literally home from home. The staff are wonderful, it's so supportive. We couldn't do it without this property. That it's for families with seriously ill children, and honestly, look them up. I wish McDonald's advertised more that they do this, and that's where all the pennies go that you leave in the change pots at the tills and what have you, and the little spinny machines that we all loved putting the pennies in as kids. This is what it funds. Since the 80s, this is what that money's been going towards, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful. There are some children living in them. I haven't got all my children living here. You know that I have a daughter with special needs, and lots going on with our children, so that's not possible. Sorry, I'm getting arm ache. I haven't held a phone up for quite some time. So while I've been wandering around the hospital, I spend a lot of time walking when I'm not on the ward. We take it in turns to be up there. It's heavy going. I obviously want to be with him as much as possible, but we also need to take care of our own well-being and get out and about as much as possible. I have noticed so many scrapper gems you wouldn't believe. I'm going to try and put a little compilation together for you. Most of the time I haven't been able to, utilise, but tonight I felt like, you know what, let's go on a little hunt. I've already got a couple of bits which I'll put in a second, but hopefully I'll find a few bits more that I can show you. But there's a lot of wastage. I can't believe the amount of wastage that goes on. Actually, it's phenomenal. I know I keep looking in the wrong place because on my phone my face is here, but actually the camera's over there. So that's where we're at, and I haven't gone, I promise. I'm just away for a while. I haven't gone anywhere, and I will be back up and running as soon as he's well enough for me to do so. And Scrapper and me will never be gone. I've got to keep finding those lovely brassy copper goodies, and that's just never going to change ever. So don't worry, the usual Sollers madness will be back regularly at some point, but till then I'll just do these little bits and pieces. There's a sneak peek that way of something that I just found, and it's a good one. Trouble is I train to and from, and that thing must weigh about 30 kilograms at least. I'll weigh it when I get home, so I'm gonna have to sweet talk my sister into lending me the boot of her car. So that's it. I just wanted to do a little video check-in. I'm still gaining subscribers, which is really lovely considering I'm not actually putting out any content at the moment. I just wanted to explain a little bit, check in with you, because I miss you all so much. I really do. And I know people say, oh, YouTube can wait, but to me this is not just YouTube. This is a community that I adore and always will adore. So I want to check in with you, and when I feel like I can, I will, because I think it's really important. So yeah, and that is, again, thanks for all your well wishes. I haven't put an update on the community post for a while, but he is out of intensive care, he's out of HDU, he's on the oncology ward now, which is great that he's, you know, needs a little bit less support to be able to be on that ward. So in that sense, miracles have already happened, because, you know, at one stage one of the hospitals was talking about palliative care, and I can't even discuss that because it's beyond the most heartbreaking thing anybody could ever hear when you're discussing a 4-year-old. So the fact that he's here, he's said my name a couple of times, he's been talking a little bit today, he's taken a couple of steps with physio support, you know, the chemotherapy is just wonder drugs, and I'm so glad that in the end we found 2 different hospitals that would give him a chance. It was a battle and I had to fight, but you know, we got there, and it's a fight I'll never stop fighting, ever. I'll never stop fighting for him, and I know it was the right decision, because look at him now, he's getting better. So I know we've still got a long way to go, and we've got to just get him well enough for that radiotherapy, but it's all going in the right direction. So can't ask for more than that, one day at a time. Yoink. Right, need some R&R, so let's go street swapping around the hospital, eh? And nearby vicinity. Come with me, see what we can find. Hello? Hello? Hi! Hello? Hi! Darn this flash. Not making me very stealth, is it? Bingo. Yahtzee. So, but I'm never going to be able to carry that. What's that attached to? Oh, it's huge, but I can't. Damn. Oh well. Keep going. I am still. So disappointed, I really had high hopes for that. Bingo. Let's see. Oh. A vacuum cleaner cord and a couple of fan cords. That's what I call a result. And don't worry, guys, it might be dark, but it's not late, and I'm only sticking to the vicinity that's right by the hospital, and there are people everywhere. Doctors and nurses walking everywhere. So, I'm not putting myself in any danger. You don't need to worry. I'd never do that, ever. I'm sensible enough. I just wouldn't. It's not worth, you know, I'd never come out late. It's just not something I would do. Sorry. So yes, I also need to concentrate so I don't walk into people. Okie doke. Let's continue. Enjoying the view of my boots. So you can hear how busy it is. Busy, busy, busy. Can I do the next one? Lovely fruit and veg. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Making me hungry. Okie dokie. Shower screen, so there's no brassy goodness shower fittings to go with it. Aww. That's cool. Don't mind if I do. Look at this. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Size of that. Yeah. So it's obviously some sort of, there's a pressurised water, it's obviously some sort of hot water pump. Brilliant. So just a little short video, and thanks for watching. I will see you whenever I can. Take care. Lots of love. Bye. Bye. Bye.